Welcome to Biker's Choice. In today's video, we're diving deep into the iconic Victory V92C motorcycle. This bike is a testament to American engineering, combining style, performance, and comfort in a way that has captured the hearts of riders since its debut. Let's explore what makes the V92 stand out in the world of cruising motorcycles. History and heritage. The Victory V92C was introduced in 1997 as part of Victory Motorcycles' inaugural lineup. As one of the first models, it played a crucial role in establishing Victory as a strong contender in the motorcycle market. With roots deeply embedded in American motorcycle culture, the V92C embodied the spirit of freedom and adventure that riders cherish. Its vintage appeal and modern performance quickly garnered a dedicated following. Design and features. The V92C boasts a classic cruiser design that combines elegance with functionality. With a low seat height and a relaxed riding position, this bike is perfect for long rides on the open road. The chrome accents and clean lines give it a timeless look that turns heads wherever it goes. The bike features a 1,507cc V-twin engine, delivering a smooth power band and impressive torque, making it a joy to ride at any speed. Performance. When it comes to performance, the V92C doesn't disappoint. Its robust engine provides plenty of power for cruising and highway riding. The bike's chassis is designed for stability and comfort, allowing riders to navigate both city streets and winding roads with ease. The suspension is tuned for a smooth ride, absorbing bumps and imperfections in the road, making it an excellent choice for long-distance ergonomics. Rider comfort is a priority with the V92C. The wide, cushioned seat provides excellent support, and the forward controls ensure a relaxed posture. The bike's design allows for easy maneuverability, making it suitable for both novice and experienced riders. Whether you're tackling a short commute or embarking on a cross-country journey, the V92C is built for comfort. Community. The Victory 92C has fostered a strong community of enthusiasts who appreciate its unique blend of classic and modern features. Riders often gather at events showcasing their V92Cs and sharing stories of their adventures. The bike's reliability and performance have made it a favorite among touring enthusiasts, contributing to its legendary status. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Victory V92C motorcycle is a remarkable blend of style, performance, and comfort. Its rich history, timeless design, and strong community support make it a standout choice for anyone in the market for a cruiser. If you're looking for a bike that embodies the spirit of American motorcycling, the V92C deserves a place on your shortlist. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Victory V92C. Be sure to subscribe to Biker's Choice for more motorcycle reviews and insights.